The IF1010R is a compact yet powerful handheld router that offers a user system versatility, accuracy and safety. The router depth can be set in seconds with accuracy to 1/10 of a millimetre. With its easily accessible working area, bits can be changed quickly and safely, and a clear view of the bit ensures absolute accuracy. With its large range of system accessories, including routing templates, circle cutters, and guide rails, the possible applications are virtually limitless. The dual column clamping makes the router extremely torsion resistant for a perfect routing result. For user safety, the unique chip deflector ensures optimum dust extraction when routing edges, and in combination with dust extraction, guarantees outstanding suction power for a clean, safe work environment. To keep yourself updated on Festool product information and applications, subscribe to our channel below.